Day by day, we grow old. Gustuhin man natin o hindi, dagdag pa ang stress, work, household chores, and many unmanageable things. Kaya ako, I am a fan of this premium collagen from Trinity Health Healthy Aging Collagen. Bago ko sabihin yung effect, sasabihin ko muna kung paano ko iniinom. So, hinahalo ko to sa favorite kong coffee, juice, tea, or smoothie. This will add a milky goody taste to your drink, pero pwede din naman na walang halo. This clip guys, nung kaka-order ko pa lang, as you can see, then after 3 weeks, dun ko naramdaman yung effect na ang moisturized and ang glowing ng skin ko. Yung parang feeling ko, kakagising ko lang. First, naramdaman ko sa face ko na healthy aging gives skin elasticity and radiance kasi yun yung ginagawa ng collagen. When we're taking it, bonus na rin yung ibang ingredients nito like pearl powder, elastin, biotin, hyaluron, and vitamin C. Kaya kung gusto mo nga din magkaroon ng smooth, radiant, and glowing skin, try mo na nga rin tong premium collagen from Trinity Health Healthy Aging Collagen.